Hey everyone, welcome back to Apollo Art Analysis. In today's episode, we're going to be studying a piece by the established multidisciplinary artist known as Voja, and in this episode, we're going to be looking at this ornate sense of luxury here. We're also going to explore the symbolism of the tiger, so let's jump right into it. So whenever you first see this work, we're going to have the scene of two tigers, playing and dancing within the display here. Your first impression is likely one of awe, as it almost appears as if we're looking up at the ceiling of a cherished chapel. And so colors within this work really consist of the two main sets of a red, blue, and gold. Of course, the presence of this red and blue are kind of fighting for the viewer's attention, right? They're not quite complementary colors, but they certainly do fight for the viewer's attention. And within this, of course, we do have that gold by nature of the tiger's form. We also have a sense of that green as well, all of which immerse us so well within the work before us. Another thing you may notice is the impact of texture, and we see this quite clearly, especially, say, on those little bits of grasses there, and then we have a sense of textures all throughout the work here. It feels incredibly ornate and, of course, gives that sense of luxury to the scene at hand. Another thing you may notice is the format of this work. It is near symmetrical in nature, of course, split across a vertical central axis there. When we're offered scenes of symmetry such as this, it always gives a sense of high harmony. And within this work, we also see this incredibly ornate design, right? Especially along the trim of this piece. It's just luxurious in every sense of the word. When we're given such luxurious scenes or such ornate detail, it always provides a testament to the status of the scene at hand. We certainly see that here. And I'd be remiss if I didn't mention this border. Of course, the layout of this composition is just second to none. This truly frames the scene within and, of course, draws our attention to the two tigers set in center. There is no doubt about that. And for, countless millennia now, the symbolism of large cats have been used to convey everything from strength, power, even intelligence and grace as well. And within this work, we see this, they're surrounded by this kind of impressionistic motif, if you will. It's hard to say exactly what's going on around them, but regardless of that, the symbolism of large cats is just absolutely stunning and sacred in so many different ways. And more specifically, the symbolism of the tiger represents strength and power. We can't help but stand in agreement with this due to their incredibly fierce nature. We see this so strikingly in the composition. It'd be terrifying to try and go up against a tiger such as that, right? So, regardless of the symbolism here, we see two tigers amidst such ornate and luxurious motifs immortalized upon the Most High. How do y'all feel when you view this piece, or even what do you think we're viewing here? I think that's an incredibly important question to, looking at this work, to studying this work, and to overall appreciate this work. So really hope y'all enjoyed today. Our piece here originated as a photograph before additional edits in Adobe Photoshop. So you see the incredibly unique results of so many different edits. I actually have an additional piece from the original artist here. I'm going to bring that in and see what we can learn. Alright, so about another piece from Voja here, of course, you see the incredibly visceral and fierce nature of large cats. I think there is no doubt about that. Of course, in comparing these two works, we see the tigers here, and we see what appears to be a jaguar in that scene. In both instances, the sense of red is extremely visceral and vibrant. I think there is no doubt about that. However, when we look at the work on the right, it feels much more visceral and much more dangerous when compared to the work on the left, which feels, light, it feels ornate, it feels luxurious, maybe even divine in a way. But, of course, you see just how different symbolism of large cats can feel, of course, compared to the visceral blood red here when compared to the luxury and ornate scene of this work. So it's absolutely stunning, and I always love to bring in those insights. So yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed today. Like I said, this is a stunning piece, incredibly ornate and luxurious. We talked about so many different things today, from the near symmetrical nature of this work, symbolism of large cats, even this, luxurious sense here that gives a testament to its status. So many different things we hit on today. I truly hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all enjoyed today's episode, make sure to check out the original artist Voja, doing some amazing stuff in multiple different mediums. And of course, you see the incredibly unique results of those different edits. So like I said, I really hope y'all enjoyed today. If y'all enjoyed today's episode, make sure to check out the original artist Voja. Like I said, doing some amazing stuff. My name is Apollo. This was Apollo Art Analysis, and I'll see y'all on the next episode. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you'd like to support our work directly, please check out our Apollo community tokens. Apollo Art Exchange is an ecosystem of art appreciation which elevates artists each and every day. Thanks for listening.